I'm here at the Fairfield Inn in Orlando, UCF. This is a hotel, brand new hotel that's close to the university in Orlando. So it's a little bit northeast of Universal Parks. So this is a standard king room, and you walk in, you immediately come to the bathroom. It's got a nice little foyer way so that you have room to put luggage or whatever. Here's the bathroom with a lot of counter space, like granite top, just a little half wall with the potty and just a shower. No bathtub, which I think is a trend, and lots of towels and a coat hook on the wall. Let's come to the main area. No closet that I see so far, but it does have the little microwave and refrigerator and coffee station. And let's see. Yeah, a little mini closet, very tiny little mini closet. So this is a very compact room. And this is probably a little bit smaller room. This is a king room. There we got a glimpse of me. TV, luggage, space to put your luggage on top, and you could fit another bag underneath. Desk area. Let's see, it does have a USB port right there, so you can plug your cords in right there for charging. And here's the bed, built-in headboard, built-in nightstands, and let's see, I don't see any ports on the nightstand. It does have a thermostat on the wall, so you don't have to fool with the window unit type thing. There is a little drawer in the nightstand, in the built-in nightstand, and your standard telephone. It has 4 pillows. The bedding is a duvet bedding, so pretty nice bedding, pretty nice setup. So yeah, nice room, but very compact, very tight.